let's start the evening by calling on stage Mr. Manavjeet Singh, who is the founder CEO of Rubik. Mr. Manavjeet Singh, a veteran banker with more than 23 years of rich experience in the field of banking and financial services, had conceptualized Rubik in 2014 with a vision to bring transparency and transform the customer experience with help of technology in the financial services domain. His aim is to make Rubik the largest marketplace for financial products for individuals and SMEs. His company demystifies complex financing processes and empowers individuals and SMEs by providing an easy and smooth access to finance through a wide range of credit cards and loan products, thereby making finance simple for them. So please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to welcome Mr. Manavjeet Singh.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. First of all, thank you very much for taking out time. And this is one of the very important events for us, because we have seen in past couple of years this word fintech virtually everywhere, what that means to every stakeholder in this ecosystem. That's something which all of us together we're trying to demystify. In fact, I have been traveling, meeting a lot of global companies. We've been part of a lot of global conferences, and so there's a lot to learn from them. But all said and done, when you look at it from a customer's point of view, that and whole of time we ask this question: what exactly is this fintech, and what that it means for us? And in India, as we know that we are virtually 99% of business happens offline, and how financial technology or fintech can change something for the consumer or financial institutions or other stakeholders in this whole ecosystem. We are here to discuss that, and in fact this is a small initiative from Rubik's side in association with TV18. As I said, just to demystify, in fact to learn from the experts in this particular space. So as we move forward, as we learn about various aspects and how eventually it's going to add or in fact give some benefit to each and every stakeholder in the ecosystem, that's very, very important. And we have seen the kind of processes which exist in different kind of financial institutions, different kinds of financial products, how it can eventually help us, and how technology can be leveraged. This is a very, very important aspect for a company like Rubik, where we are blending financial services along with technology. And with that, I would like to say again, thanks for your time. We are being part of this small initiative, and we look forward to many more such gatherings where we can learn from each other and demystify this fintech and discover how it adds value to our life. Thank you very much.